The insurance claim paid out, the contractor cashed the check, and now the roof is half done and the operator is gone. Policyholders and carriers chasing a restoration or roofing contractor who took claim proceeds and abandoned the job face the same dead end: a disconnected number and a dissolved LLC. Our investigation team at People Locator Skip Tracing locates the real person behind a vanished property claim contractor so you can pursue recovery. Our researchers use lawful public records research to find the operator or principal behind the contractor entity, current address and contact path, delivered in 24 hours or less at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. This service is for homeowners, commercial policyholders, and carriers who need to locate a contractor principal to file a demand, pursue a civil claim, or refer the matter to the state licensing board. A dissolved LLC does not erase personal liability, and our researchers find the person behind it. The contractor took the money. Let our team find out where they went. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to start your search today and subscribe for more resources on contractor fraud and insurance claim recovery.